Well, hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. It's been a while, I know, for this kind of video. So today we are going to show you how to do a Bengal barbecue seasoning, because we are going to do this on shrimp. The last time we showed you this, we did it on the skewer, the vegetable skewer, just like they do it at Disneyland. So today we're going to do it on shrimp, and this is mostly just going to be about the seasoning. So you're going to see some large hands come over here because I got my husband with me, and he's going to do this so that I can show you and tell you what he's going to be putting in here. So what we have is homemade garlic powder, red cayenne pepper. My favorite, anybody who's been around for the last 8 years, it's our 8th anniversary here on YouTube, Lawry's seasoned salt, and smoked paprika. That is Watkins. There better be some in there. Yeah, there's some in there. We haven't gone through that.
I said, so we're making a double batch.
Yes.
So I need 2 teaspoons of salt.
Lawry's
so I will
seasoned
put
salt.
in 4 teaspoons of Lawry's seasoned salt.
Yeah, we're going to fill one of these right here.
Just because I don't want to make this too many times.
Yeah. So 4 teaspoons.
Don't want to have to make it every time I cook. Don't want to make too much that it solidifies and turns into a hard mess in the
so we
shaker container.
We live at the beach, and I know a lot of you guys are going through a really humid summer, this does, because of the seasoning salt and the garlic powder in here, it does solidify. So
The humidity.
if you get a good shaker and you want to put some rice in there, you can, as long as the rice doesn't come out with the seasoning salt or the seasoning. That would be a really good way to do it. Otherwise, if it solidifies, you can put it in a coffee grinder or an herb grinder. Right, babe? That'd be the best thing to do. But don't throw it away. I had to throw the last one away. We just had a little teeny bit left. But
So,
don't throw it away.
1 teaspoon of smoked paprika.
That smells so good. I love the smoked paprika.
And since we need 1, we will actually put in 2. Doubling this recipe.
This comes out exactly. Actually, it's actually
Personally,
better than the Disneyland version now. We've gotten Bengal BBQ last couple years at Disneyland, and it just doesn't taste like Bengal BBQ anymore.
Easy part.
Which one? The
1/4 teaspoon. So that means I just have to step it up to half.
The garlic powder.
1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Never garlic salt.
Yeah, no garlic salt. And you can make your own garlic powder. I've got some videos on it. Just dehydrate your garlic and then grind it in an herb grinder.
Always use garlic powder because you can always add salt.
Yeah.
You can never remove salt. So if you salt things and use garlic salt, you're over salting.
Sorry about the glare, guys. I got
Okay.
overhead lights. Okay, what was that?
So that was cayenne pepper, red pepper. So 1/4 teaspoon, so that's 1/2 teaspoon for a double batch.
Okay. Because this is a little bit spicy. You can make it a little bit spicier if you want. Oops.
And you can knock things down on the counter if you're clumsy.
And then mix it all together. And then, like I said, we're going to make shrimp. Because we showed it to you on vegetables. This is amazing on veggies, you guys. Make a veggie skewer and barbecue your veggies. This is amazing on vegetables. It's amazing on chicken, amazing on beef. But we're going to do it on shrimp tonight, and I'll show you how they come out. Okay.
So I stirred it, and I'm just going to funnel it into another shaker container because I don't like messes.
Oh, wow. That didn't make very much.
Well, it's stuck in the funnel.
Yeah.
It's going to be plenty for dinner and then more left over.
So that's just doubling the recipe, right? Recipe.
That was a cayenne pepper. Gets me every time.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
So we're done.
Okay. Okay, for now. Okay, let's get the shrimp going, and then we'll show them how to put it on the shrimp and show them the end result. Thanks. You guys, stay tuned. Okay, so here's the shrimp that we're having. We're going to do them in the air fryer. I'm going to let my husband show you how he sprinkles the salt on here. Or that, not the salt. There's no salt in there. Well, seasoned salt.
Called seasoning.
Seasoning. It's been a long day. Is it coming out?
I don't know. Can't see. It's coming out.
Yeah, it's coming out. Okay.
Coming out.
Do you need to put it on both sides?
Really?
Okay. That's why you're doing this.
You want it seasoned on? You
Yes.
want it to have flavor on both sides?
Lots of flavor. Flavor the shrimpies.
You only need flavor on the tongue side.
On the tongue side, yes. Yep.
There's no taste buds in the
you
roof
don't
of your
know,
mouth.
But you don't know
yes,
which
there are.
side of the shrimpy is going to touch the tongue side, right?
There you go. So we might as well flip them all over.
Put a lot. Please put a lot.
Please put a lot.
Yeah, please put a lot.
What are you talking about?
These are going to be good. So we made jasmine rice to go with this and spinach, our favorites. And our son opted for a sandwich.
Opted for
before he knew we were doing this.
Jimmy John's.
No, Jersey Mike's.
Oh, Jersey Mike's.
Jersey
Still same difference.
When he sees this, he's going to be quite upset.
No, he won't.
He thinks we're having shrimp scampi, which we usually have. He just has no idea we're doing the Bengal BBQ. He got home from work, or off work, and he went to get a sandwich before he knew that we were having shrimp. Yeah, there you go. This is good.
Covered.
Okay. Now we're going to put them in the air
Enough
fryer.
for more meals.
Oh yeah, look at all we have
Look
left.
how far that went.
See, so we can do veggies with this. Veggies, chicken. They are so good on veggies. This is so good. Here, let me make it. There we go.
Okay.
So good on veggies. So good on chicken.
And I
We're gonna try it
didn't
on-
waste that much.
No, you didn't. No, look at that. Okay. So good on chicken, beef, and there's a really good teriyaki marinade with some of this on there. Oh, so good. We'll show you guys that too. Another video. But yeah, got quite a bit left. And these are the containers I put my Italian seasoning in. So these are, what are these? Gosh, I think they're 8 ounce. I'm gonna say that they're 8 ounce. But yeah. Okay, back to the shrimp. Okay, so I was just informed these are probably 2 ounce containers, not 8 ounces. You
Net
guys.
weight 2 ounce.
Yeah, I'll have to put some Italian seasoning in there and then measure, weigh it. Gosh, yeah, it's probably 2 ounces, you guys. Okay, so Italian seasoning in this bottle is 1.6 ounces, filled to the brim. 1.6 ounces. And that's what it looks like. That is my Italian seasoning.
What was that coffee commercial?
Okay, these are our shrimpies in the air fryer, all done, and I'll show you what they look like on the plate in just a couple minutes, but they look amazing. Okay, here they are, right here. Okay, there you go. Here is our dinner. And my husband tasted one of them. They are amazing.
This is a pauper's dinner.
Not a pauper's dinner. Not really. Look at that shrimp, you guys. Amazing. So if you guys give this a try, let me know. Word of the day is going to be Bengal BBQ. B-E-N-G-A-L. Bengal. Bengal BBQ. That's the word of the day. And I'm going to be giving away, I know we didn't use it in it, but one of these Italian seasoning, or you're going to have your choice of some of this Bengal BBQ, but it's not going to be a full one because I don't have all the ingredients to make a full one. Be a little bit more expensive. So
I mean, it's not a pauper's dinner.
Not a pauper's
Rice is cheap. Spinach is even cheaper.
Okay.
The shrimp came out of the pond in the backyard. How much cheaper can it get?
We do not have shrimp in our backyard, you guys. Well, the shrimp was on sale today, though. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.